This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. Fabulous eco-smart home located in the premier maintenance-free gated community of Traditions at Lake Ruby. This desirable triple split bedroom floor plan features 2 master bedroom suites and a 3-car garage. The gourmet kitchen offers 42 upper white cabinetry trimmed with crown molding, quartz countertops, glass tiled backsplash, center island, Slate smudge-proof appliance package and a walk-in pantry with organizer system. The spacious great room offers porcelain tile flooring and direct access to the Florida room. The master bedroom suite is adorned with porcelain wood plank flooring and features a large walk-in closet designed with organization in mind. The master bathroom offers a 42 vanity with dual sinks, quartz countertops, garden tub and a handicap accessible tiled shower surrounded by decorative Listello tile. This wonderful home also features amenities such as a formal dining room, breakfast nook, crown molding, laundry room west/washer and dryer, foyer west/transom window, in-wall pest control system, double pane low-E windows, keyless entry front door, irrigation system with irrigation meter, paved walkway and driveway, pull-down attic stairs, architectural shingles, radiant heat barrier, Greenguard max house wrap, gutters, exterior stone facade and a paved back patio. This lovely property is conveniently located close to shopping, restaurants and medical facilities with an easy commute into Orlando or Tampa areas. The active adult community of Traditions offers a lakefront clubhouse with heated pool and spa, dog park, fitness center, aerobic studio, craft room, tennis, bocce ball, billiards, computer room, library, ballroom, dock, boat ramp and scheduled community activities. Monthly HOA fees included lawn service, cable, internet, and exterior house painting. For more information, review the details.